the world, the international community quarantine Haiti. The international community take a social distancing toward Haiti, despite the fact that the Haitian Revolution, as I use Achille Bembe idea, actually that idea, Achille Bembe took that idea from Frantz Fanon et Jean-Luc Nancy, la déclosion du monde. Déclosion is de-quarantine. Actually, the Haitian Revolution as a radical revolution was the only revolution that de-quarantine the pathologic modernity. The Haitian Revolution was the revolution that took the disease of modernity. And recently, the disease of modernity. So Haiti de-quarantined the world. If we review the ontology of the Haitian Revolution, the epistemology of the Haitian Revolution, so the first social movement was the Haitian Revolution, Andromaque. And despite the fact that the international community, the scientific community, silenced the Haitian Revolution, many black people in Latin America, in the Caribbean, and in the US, they knew the history of Haiti. Remember, in my lecture, I stress on the impact of the Haitian Revolution on Virginia, in Carolina. Actually, in Carolina, in Durham, there is a little place called Haiti. It was a name they picked in order to pay tribute to the Haitian Revolution. But contemporary social movement, remember I mentioned the name of Maxine Waters, I mentioned the name of Frederica Wilson, I mentioned the name of Barbara Lee Jackson. All those folk, they were, when Aristide was overthrown by General Cedras. So those U.S. Politicians, they have endorsed Aristide. They have exposed the cause of Haitian people. So we have actually in U.S. Congress many black people who feel very proud of the Haitian Revolution. Actually, Haiti, the Haitian Revolution, as I said, is very important for the proudness of African American. And last year, when Emmanuel Adouillon went to the U.S. Congress, you remember the Emmanuel Adouillon went to the U.S. Congress to do something to criticize, or give an account about the evolution of things in Haiti. And actually, we had that congresswoman from Massachusetts, Ayana Pressley. Emmanuel Adouillon had a conversation with Ayana Pressley, and Ayana Pressley said to Emmanuel Adouillon, I'm very proud of you guys. I'm very proud of what Haiti did for us as black women and black people in the United States of America. And Emmanuel Adouillon replied to Ayana Pressley to say, we in Haiti, we are following closely what has been happening in the Congress, and we are very proud of you, of Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, of Ilhan Omar. So Andromaque is all those things that we have to put all together in order to understand, the many reasons that combine all together to influence positively the decision of the U.S. Congress in 2013 to actually proclaim a month for Haitian people as Haitian-American Heritage Month, Andromaque Mézilas.